Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Ms. Tripto, and the entire admin team. Today is Friday, October 25th, 2019. Happy Friday. It's finally here. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make today. Please be seated. And we have quite a few birthdays to celebrate today and this weekend. So we have today in 5th grade, Wagner Hernandez Guzman, happy birthday. Demoney Johnson, happy birthday. And tomorrow, Benjamin Lopez, Arlette Pedraza, Yadira Hernandez, and Sunday, Miguel Diaz, Jocelyn Fuentes, and Justice Villanueva. Happy birthday, you all. And don't forget, come on by my office to get your special birthday gift. Today, we're going to focus on Rattlers being responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. I know it's Friday, and sometimes it's hard to focus, but make sure you push your brains to really give it your all for the last day of the week. Also, we have a lot of visitors that come in and out of our building. Please remember to always greet them and make them feel welcome. Also, remember we have to have our IDs on us at all times. I know a lot of you have brought me your $5 and I've gotten you a new ID. So make sure that you do that. You continue to do that, but also just keep your ID safe so you don't have to pay any more $5. Also, today's Friday, which means you have town hall. Your teachers will tell you what that looks like for you today. And then I hope a lot of you are actually out of uniform today to celebrate Friday and Fall Fest. And our Breast Cancer Awareness Month is today. So we're wearing pink in remembrance of those taken by breast cancer, and then also just to increase awareness. Next year, I would love to do something where we raise money and do a fun run. All right, announcements. Today we have 2nd grade math end of module and 5th grade math end of module, and today is our Fall Fest and our bike raffle. So glad you guys are here today because that means you will be entered in a couple raffles. And unfortunately, we had 18 scholars out yesterday. That means that if we only had one less person out, so if one more of you came to school, we actually would have hit our goal. Look how close we were. 97.3 to 97.5. Every student matters. Also, today is the day that we will be choosing you for the regular Friday attendance raffle and our bike raffle. So 3 of you will go home today with a brand new bicycle. And let's now say the Runberg Academy chant with me and really think about it as you say these words. Ready? Go. Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Make it a fabulous Friday, and remember the choice is yours. Please remember to be respectful of all of your classmates today so that you are able to go and enjoy the Fall Fest and the Town Hall and recess and lunch today with your friends. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we really love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents of the students who are out or dojo message them and let us know on the ADA GroupMe. And students, remember that just for being here on time today, your parents are entered in a raffle to win free Fall Fest tickets. So, super excited about that. Have an amazing Friday.